Top 5 budgeting hacks that actually work. Let's be honest for a second. When you hear the word budget, what's the first feeling that comes to mind? For most of us, it's not excitement. It's a sense of dread. It feels like a chore, a list of all the things you can't do. And that's precisely why most budgets fail. They are built on a foundation of restriction, and human nature is hardwired to fight against restriction. But what if the problem isn't you, but the tool you're using? Today, we're throwing out the old rulebook. A budget shouldn't be a prison, it should be a roadmap to freedom. If that feeling of dread sounds familiar, you are in exactly the right place. Here at Modern Financial Habits, we believe that a budget which makes you feel bad is a budget that is designed to fail. The secret is, there is no one-size-fits-all perfect budget. You are unique, and your financial plan should be too. So today, we're not just giving you rules, we're giving you options. We'll explore 5 different budgeting hacks, and I'll explain exactly who each one is for. By the end of this video, you'll know which tool is right for your brain. And you will definitely want to stay for hack number 5. It's called the anti-budget, and it's a powerful technique designed for people who actually want to spend more on the things they love, guilt-free.
All right, hack number 1. This is the simplest, most powerful hack on the list, and it's specifically designed for people who hate the very idea of budgeting. Here's the common but broken approach. You get paid, you spend money for 30 days on bills, groceries, and fun, and then you try to save whatever is left over at the end of the month. The problem? There's rarely anything left. This hack flips that entire script on its head. It's called Pay Yourself First, and we make it effortless using automation. The moment your paycheck hits your bank account, you have an automatic transfer set up to move a specific amount, say 15 or 20%, immediately to a separate savings or investment account. It's gone before you can even think about spending it. The psychological genius of this is that you have removed the hardest part of saving, the daily willpower and decision-making. The money you see in your checking account is now 100% yours to spend. You can buy that coffee completely guilt-free because you know your future self has already been taken care of. It's not restriction, it's engineered freedom.
All right, if hack number 1 was for people who want to think less about their money, hack number 2 is for those who crave control and want to feel like the CEO of their finances. If you're the kind of person who likes knowing exactly where everything is going, this is for you. It's called the zero-based budget. Now, the name sounds intimidating, but the concept is powerful. Income minus expenses equals 0. This doesn't mean you spend until you have nothing left. It means that before the month begins, every single dollar that you earn is given a specific job. Think of yourself as the coach of a team. Your income is your team of players. A bad coach just lets them run around randomly. But a great coach, that's you with this budget, gives every single player a specific position and a task. You have your rent player, your groceries player, your investment player, and even your Friday night pizza player. No dollar is left on the bench. The true value here is that it eliminates financial waste and mystery spending, that feeling at the end of the month where you ask, where did all my money go? This method transforms you from a passenger in your financial life into the pilot, intentionally directing every dollar to work for you.
Okay, if the Pay Yourself First method is too hands-off for you, but the zero-based budget feels too intense, then hack number 3 is your perfect middle ground. This is one of the most popular and time-tested budgeting frameworks for a reason. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. The beauty of this rule is its simplicity. It gives you 3 clear buckets for your after-tax income. The first and largest bucket is 50% for your needs. These are the absolute must-haves to live: your rent or mortgage, utilities, essential groceries, and transportation to work. This is the foundation of your financial life. The next bucket is 30% for your wants. This is the fun stuff. This is dining out, hobbies, streaming subscriptions, vacations, the things that make life enjoyable. The rule specifically carves out a generous portion for your lifestyle so you don't feel deprived. And the final, most important bucket is 20% for your savings and debt repayment. This portion is dedicated entirely to your future self, building your emergency fund, paying off high-interest debt, and investing for retirement. This method works because it's not about tracking every penny. It's about big-picture allocation. You just need to know which of the 3 buckets your spending falls into. It provides structure without being suffocating.
Okay, this next hack takes one of the oldest, most effective budgeting ideas in history and gives it a 21st century upgrade. You've probably heard of the cash envelope system that our grandparents used. You take out cash, divide it into envelopes labeled groceries, gas, fun, and when an envelope was empty, you stopped spending. It was brilliant because it made your spending tangible. You could physically see your money disappearing. The problem? Almost nobody uses cash anymore. We live in a world of digital swipes and online carts. So hack number 4 is the modern solution, the digital envelope system. Instead of paper envelopes, you create virtual buckets for your money using technology. The simplest way is to open multiple savings accounts at an online bank and give each one a nickname, like vacation fund, new car, emergency shield. Or you can use a budgeting app specifically designed for this, like YNAB or Good Budget. This works because it recreates that same powerful psychological barrier in a digital world. By partitioning your money, you assign every dollar a purpose. You're far less likely to accidentally spend your house down payment money on takeout when you can see it sitting in its own dedicated, protected space. It gives you category-by-category control without the hassle of handling cash.
All right, we've arrived at hack number 5. I called this the anti-budget at the start, and here's why. This method is for those of you who have already mastered the basics. You're saving automatically, you know your needs are covered, and you're ready to graduate to a master level of financial intention. The anti-budget, also known as a conscious spending plan, flips the script one last time. Traditional budgeting focuses on what to cut. This hack is about what to maximize. It's not about restriction, it's about permission to spend extravagantly on the things you truly love. Here's the simple 3-step process. First, you automate your savings and investments. That's non-negotiable. Second, you cover your fixed monthly costs like rent and bills. Third, and this is the magic, you look at all the money that's left over. Instead of spreading it thin, you ask yourself a powerful question. What 2 or 3 things bring me the most joy? Is it travel? Dining at amazing restaurants? Your passion for collecting rare books? You then give yourself permission to spend generously, even lavishly, in those few categories. And for everything else, you cut back mercilessly. You stop spending on things you just kinda like. This is the ultimate form of budgeting because it forces you to define your values and then align your spending with them. You're not just saving money, you're engineering a life that is both financially strong and incredibly fulfilling.
So you don't need a restrictive financial diet. You need a better recipe that you'll actually enjoy. Whether you're an automator with Pay Yourself First, a detailed planner with the zero-based budget, or a conscious spender with the anti-budget, There is a style here that gives you control. The goal isn't restriction, it's intention. It's about telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. So my question for you is, which of these 5 budgeting hacks fits your personality the best? Let me know in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to see which one is the most popular. And if this video helped you find some clarity, the best way to support the channel is to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more to cover. Now that you've picked your budgeting tool, the very next step is to supercharge your savings. So click here to watch the next video in our series, Top 5 Smart Ways to Save Money Fast. I'll see you there.